Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elio Olmos, and I'm an online entrepreneur for almost 3 years, selling all the digital digital products. But digital products don't last long. They only last like 3 months, 6 months, and they get shut down. So I recently joined this company that is called 7K Metals, but it's a real company. You sell real products, and I've been proud of you know offering this to people that can get, and you can also make commissions. $500 to, I think it's 12,500. Yes, 12,500 a week. It's not per month, it's per week. And you get them by FedEx. You get them on FedEx here, they'll deliver them to you. And you also get I got the coin, the silver coin here. That's with the real serial number, the MS70. Yeah. And you also get the 7K cards, wallet cards, if you want to pass them out. You get all this. So this is a real company. It's a real business, and you earn $500 to $12,000 commission. So if you're really interested, if you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. And if you're watching it on my website, scroll down to my website and click on Autopilot. You'll get that bonus for me. So you could, if you get one people to another people, two people, you earn 500. So on my Autopilot, if you join in with me, you'll go down my downline, and that's how you start making more commissions faster than just 7K Metal Company. But this is another program that you can scale up your business with Wheat Autopilot. If this is something that you like, take action, and I'll see you on the inside.